How to fix Windows 10 stuck in automatic repair loop. To fix Windows 10 stuck in automatic repair loop, try 1. Run these two commands via PowerShell in Windows safe mode with networking. dism/online/cleanup image/restore health sfc/scan02. Run these 5 commands in Windows command prompt under advanced options. chkdskc/rfixbutc bootrec.exe /rebuild bootrec.exe/fix for bootrec.exe /fixboot3. Run this command in Windows command prompt under advanced options. c/Windows/system32/config/reg***c:\/Windows/system32/config/4. Run this command in Windows command prompt under advanced options. ddet/set default recovery enabled number 5. Reset your Windows 10 PC.